The FT75 Fantastic Technology Double Screw Extruder uses a modular circular groove screw and wear-resistant special alloys with extra high strength. The involute spline screw shaft is specially designed to transmit high torque and simplify installation. Each zone of the extruder is capable of independent temperature control. The drive motor, feed hooper, cutter, and liquid feeding system are all frequency controlled. We also offer a low-cost and high-flexibility PLC control system. Breakfast cereals are typically made from corn, wheat, oats, and other grains as the raw material. The manufacturing process line includes mixing, cook curing, granulating, extruding, baking, coating, drying, and cooling, which is done by a double screw extruder. In order to make nutritional and crispy instant breakfast cereals and cornflakes in classic, salty, or sweet flavors, the effective processing line and strict process control can improve productivity and reduce production costs. Corn grits and water are blended and extruded by a rotary head extruder. The corn grits are squeezed and twisted to curl shapes between two rotary plates, and then cut into required lengths by cutting knives. You can choose Kirkers, Cheetos, Knick Knacks, are fried or baked before flavoring. This breadcrumb processing line is totally different from the traditional manufacturing method. The entire process line, including mixing, extruding, cutting, crushing, and drying machine, is fully automatic. The breadcrumbs can be used as a crunchy coating for fried foods like chicken, shrimp, fish, onion rings, etc., making them satisfyingly crispy and more delicious. Doritos, tortilla chips, triangle corn chips are usually made using corn powder, flour, and rice flour. The mixture is sheeted by a double screw extruder and then fed to a roller to be forced into specific configuration before frying or baking, and flavoring. The crunchy chips come in various shapes, round, triangle, hexagon, etc., and tastes. The nutrition rice processing line is specially designed to prevent nutrient loss in traditional rice processing. The technique preserves the nutritional value of the rice and provides essential nutrients for your health. It can also be used to make delicacies from coarse food grains. The microwave tunnel dryer can perform multiple functions such as heating, drying, sterilization, mold prevention, curing, puffing, blanching and color protection, de-insectization, etc. It is used to provide fast and even heating for the food, tea, and feed industry, wood industry, paper industry, textile industry, chemical industry, and many other industrial applications. Pellet snacks are usually made using wheat flour, cornstarch, tapioca starch, and potato starch as their primary ingredient. Through extruding and cooking, the mixture can be made into 2D and 3D snack pellets like spiral or wavy chips and onion rings. Then, by drying, frying, and flavoring, crispy and tasty extrusion puff snacks are produced. In the core filling inflating snack processing line, the mixture of raw materials is extruded by double screw extruder while being filled by a core filling machine to produce puff snacks with various fillings such as cream, chocolate sauce, and peanut butter. It is full automatically and change different manufacturing techniques and mold. It can produce a wide range of products including core filling snacks, puff snacks, breakfast cereals, etc.